Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, here is the Baltimore and Ohio number 82. This arrived just a few minutes ago, and like I said, it is basically a Marx 6000, just a different color. And it's only the A unit, but I found this on eBay for $7, and I just couldn't pass it up. Now, it's missing the headlight, so I've got to put a headlight in it, and it was missing the coupler, so I've just installed the new coupler on it. I installed a traction tire, and we're going to be pulling 21 tin litho cars. We're going to try to be pulling 21 tin litho cars and see how this goes. So I'm on track 3. So let's see what happens. The Marx Baltimore and Ohio number 82 diesel locomotive, eBay $7. And as you see, that's running absolutely perfectly. That's 50% power. So it was definitely worth the $7, no doubt about that. It took about 10 minutes to put that new coupler on it. So I've got to put a headlight in it. And other than that, this little engine is up and running. Now, it is missing the horns. The problem with this, of course, is the locomotive was $7. 2 horns will be $12. Does it make any sense to spend $12 on plastic horns for a $7 locomotive? No, it doesn't. So it's probably going to remain missing the horns. But the thing is, it's a... now that's interesting. There's a number on this that says 62. Huh. In the Marx book, this is designated as an 82. So obviously the book is incorrect. Anyway, so it's a Marx 62 Baltimore and Ohio diesel locomotive. So all I had to do was replace that coupler. The coupler was snapped off, like someone had actually twisted it up and down until it fatigued to the point of failing. But that was easy enough to fix, and basically all I did was threaded the hole. As you see, it had a rivet in it. I just threaded the hole and put a screw through it. A 632 screw, the same screw that's in the Marx steam locomotives, in fact. So anyway, put the new coupler on it. That's all I've done to it other than oiling it. I've done nothing to it at all. The E unit is working, as you see. So all in all, $7. How could you pass it up? Obviously, I could not. So it just got here. It's been here less than half an hour. And it's already repaired and running. So the only thing left to do is I have to put a headlight in it. And I've got a socket. It's just a matter of mounting a headlight in there and then running the wire back to the motor. So fairly straightforward. I've got the coupler repaired, so there's really nothing left to do to it except the headlight. It runs well. It looks nice. There's no damage to it at all. There's no rust. It has almost no run time. So someone got this as a gift 60 years ago, played with it for a few minutes. It probably went into a box and been sitting there ever since. But it's been stored well. There's no rust, there's no damage, there's no oxide on the wheels, there's no rust on the motor. All in all, a really nice Marx diesel. So let's take this around and see how it's running. There we go. Now I put a traction tire on it. This is pulling 21 cars. It's a lot of weight for this thing to pull. It weighs nothing. It's just stamped sheet metal. So that's running really well. Really pleased with it. And you can't beat the price. $7. So it looks nice. It runs well. It runs forward and reverse. So all I have to do is put a headlight in it, and this is going to be a really nice addition to the collection. So it is exactly the same engine or locomotive as the 6000. They're identical, just a different number and a different color, of course. So Baltimore and Ohio, number 62. As I said, the book has this listed as 82. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's been here just a very few minutes and it's already up and running. It only took a minute to replace that coupler, and in fact I made the coupler last night. I checked tracking and knew this was going to be here today. So all in all, it was definitely worth the $7, no doubt about that. It's going to be fun to run this. I'll probably be running this the rest of the day. And run it for an hour or so, then oil it, make sure everything's as it should be, and oil it and run it some more. And in the next few hours, this is going to be a really, really great little engine. So I'll get it cleaned up. It's dirty. It's been stored a long time. Not terrible, but it's got something on it here. I don't know what it is. And get it cleaned up and broken loose, getting used to running again. This is going to be a really, really nice little diesel locomotive. So the Marx Baltimore and Ohio number 62, $7 on eBay. I had to replace the coupler. I have to put a headlight in it. Other than that, it is complete except for the plastic horns. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.